since 2018. This evening is a celebration of the tiny footsteps that has left an indelible mark on our hearts and the laughter that echoes to the hallways of our school. Throughout this academic year, our kids have embarked on a magical journey of discovery, exploration and friendship. From the very first day onwards, they entered our classroom with wide-eyed and eager to this moment where they stand before us as the blossoming individuals. Our hearts swell with pride and joy. The teachers who are the architects of this foundation have not only us. Let's appreciate the efforts of the teachers who have sown the seeds of knowledge and compassion. And most importantly, let us acknowledge the unwavering support of the parents who are the first and forever teachers of the lives of the little one. So without any further ado, let the magic unfold the present.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam Malayaj Sheetalam Sasya Shyamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Grand celebration, let us commence with the traditional and auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. I warmly invite our esteemed Director and Principal Srimati Ramadevi Garu, along with our co-founders Mr. Bhaskar Garu, Mr. Sahadev Rao Garu and Mr. Satyam Rao Garu to grace the stage and light the lamp, symbolizing the start of this wonderful evening.
Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha Rakshama. Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha Modaka Sada Mukti Sadaka Kaladharava Kamsaka Vilasaloka Rakshaka Anayaka Ikanayaka Vinasite Padetika Natashivashinataka Namamitam Vinayaka Akinshanatima Chirantaroti Vajana Purari Purvanandana Surari Garva Chabana Papancha Rashi Vishana Ayanyani Bhushana Kapola Dana Varana Bhave Purana Varana Niranta Kanta Danta Kanti Manta Katma Katmaja Achinta Yupa Mantahina Nantayana Kintana Nirantare Nirantaramba Santameva Yogina Sameva Kannameva Vichintayam Santata Mahaganesha Pancharatna Madarena Yogaha Prajalpati Prabhatake Sadishmanathanishwara Aroga Kama Doshata Society Suputrata Samahita Irashtabhuti Mabhipaiti Sochira Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha Pahima Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha Rakshama Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha Pahima Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha Rakshama Jaya Ganesha Rakshama.
A leader who has dedicated herself to shaping young minds with love, care and wisdom. Her vision and guidance have created a nurturing environment where children love, grow and shine with confidence. Under her leadership, our school continues to flourish, providing the best foundation to every little acorn to grow into a mighty oak. Her dedication and passion inspire not only the students but also the parents and teachers who are the part of this wonderful journey. It is my privilege to invite Mrs. Ramadevi Garu to the stage to share her valuable thoughts and inspire us all. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause.
It is very, very special for all of us because it's the culmination of both hard work and dedication from all the members of our school, be it support from our parents, teachers, and of course, long hours of practices done by our little ones. And at Little Acorns, we believe that every child is a tiny seed of potential. I know that most of you don't know what's the meaning of an acorn. Most of them pronounce it wrongly as acorn. It's not an acorn. Our silent parents, hereafter I expect everyone to spell it correctly. It's an acorn. Acorn is an oak tree seed. So we work very hard to make these kids grow like mighty oaks. That itself is our motto. Mighty oaks grow from Little Acorns. Give us the best every single day. And also, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all my teachers for their dedication and as well as for their tireless efforts they have put in to make these young kids to become a beautiful individuals. And also this academic year, it's been super eventful and as well as successful. Also, we have organized Sports Day that is super duper success as you all know. All our Little Acorns have participated with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. Again, I would like to thank all the parents. You have sent your kids very early morning, get them ready and encourage them to participate so well. Really, we all thanks from Little Acorns. We also took our young explorers to the field trip, that is an educational field trip to make the learning more fun and interactive. Also, our visit to Shikara School was a wonderful experience for the kids because they have learned hands-on experiences in learning pottery, the math lab as well as the science lab. Also, we have taken these young kids to a fun-filled trip that is Play Zone, where all the kids have enjoyed free play, learned teamwork as also physical activities. All these experiences have made them grow and also we have ensured that they will learn something beyond the classrooms. Also, I am delighted to say something very exciting to all the parents and interesting, that is, coming academic year 2025-26, we are going to start with grade 1 in the same premises. Also, additionally, we are starting a new branch at Bachpalli, Singapore Colony, exactly opposite VNR College. Already construction is going on. I think mostly by this academic year, October we are going to start the school and that will be our second branch. And thanks a lot parents, your support motivated me to take one more step ahead and I think it will be supporting me throughout this journey. An important update here, especially for parents, is hereafter we will not be allowing chocolates for birthday celebrations. Parents, no means no chocolates. Please don't call us and request us that you want to get chocolates. Instead, we encourage all the parents to send any healthy fruit that is seedless or a dry fruit. Dates also is fine, that is seedless. This small change will instill healthy eating habits in children. Also, that will create nutritious environment around us. Let's all work together on this and let's all celebrate birthdays at Little Acorns, only which promotes health and wellness. And also, we are also proud to announce that from coming academic year, we are taking a very big step towards making our school eco-friendly campus wherever it is possible. So I request all the parents, please avoid sending plastic water bottles and lunch boxes. Instead, we encourage for steel boxes and lunch boxes. We as educators and you as parents, it's our duty to teach our kids about sustainable living because these young kids are future generation, future citizens. So it's our responsibility to grow them as eco-conscious and confident individuals. So before we begin, I would like to say you something, inform you about new seating arrangement that we have done this year. I think most of you parents are like little thinking about what's in these three rows, why are you not allowing, right? So before barricades, no one is allowed to sit. We request all the parents and all the kids who are sitting before, please go back. These first 3 to 4 rows are considered as VIP seats only for the parents whose kids are currently performing on the stage. We will be informing you when to come forward and when to go back. Once after your child's performance is done, then we request all the parents, please return back to your respective places so that other set of parents will come. And one more request for the parents, when the parents come friend, please don't occupy their places. Now please behind the barricade. Behind the barricade. Barricade comes right here. This we have taken a very big step because it's new for us also, it's an experiment because I think most of you parents have witnessed last year, one of the parents have come towards this stage. Child from inside that room, she ran, seeing her parents, she fell out from the stage. Luckily nothing has happened to that child. What if something has happened? So I don't want to take that risk this year. So also I can ensure with your support that every parent will get a chance to witness their child's performance from upfront. So whenever your child's performance is there, we will be informing you. You can come to the front, just watch your child's performance and go back. And one more humble request is that parents, please don't come towards the stage to take photos and videos because they get distracted. They have been practicing rigorously from past 1.5 months. Mostly from December. So for most of the kids, this is the first performance. Let them cherish and enjoy their moments on the stage. If you come friend, they get distracted, they just feel anxiety if they want to come towards you. Enjoy their moments on the stage and also enjoy with your eyes, not with your mobile phones. We have wonderful professionals of photographers and videographers. Very soon we will be posting high quality photos and videos. I hope you will cooperate with us. Thanks a lot parents for supporting us for so many years. Let's all enjoy the show. I request all the parents, please give them whistles, big rounds of applause to just encourage them. Thank you.
Some heroes who have shaped the future with their dedication, patience and passion. Their hard work goes beyond the classroom, fostering growth, creativity and inspiration in every student they touch. Their commitment to nurturing minds and hearts deserve the highest appreciation as they truly make a lasting impact on their lives. As a token of our gratitude, I now request our beloved Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Ramadevi Garu, to kindly present these trophies of appreciation to recognize our beloved team's hard work and unwavering commitment. Madam, kindly come on to the stage, please.
In everything she does.
Be silent, but her dedication speaks volumes. Nurturing her PP2 sunflowers with care and commitment. With her calm and focused approach, Ramya ma'am ensures every child blossoms beautifully under her guidance.
Sangeeta ma'am's dedication and hard work make her a guiding light for her PP2 lowest students, nurturing them patience and care. With her unwavering commitment, Sangeeta ma'am helps every child to grow and flourish with confidence.
The Apple students grow with love and care. With her sincere efforts and commitments, Subhapna ma'am creates a nurturing and joyful learning environment for her little learners.
Shavni ma'am inspires her little learners to explore, grow and shine every day.
Make the Playgroup Shah's classroom a place of joy, care and endless learning. With her active and caring nature, Sneha ma'am nurtures every child with love and care, making their first learning steps truly special.
creates a comforting space where her playgroup fishes students feel safe, loved and cared for. With her gentle approach and nurturing heart, Prakati ma'am ensures every little one blossoms with confidence and joy.
Light up the playgroup dolphins class, making learning as lively and joyful as her dance moves. A fast learner and a graceful dancer, Meenakshi ma'am brings enthusiasm and creativity into everything she does.
And hard work make her a pillar of knowledge, guiding our PP1 Pivot students with wisdom and care. With her commitment and expertise, Raji ma'am nurtures young minds, ensuring they learn, grow with confidence every day. Energetic dance moves and kind-hearted nature make him a favorite among students, inspiring them with his easygoing attitude. With boundless energy and compassionate spirit, Ibrahim himself effortlessly connects with his students, making dance classes both fun and meaningful.
I'm so happy to welcome you all on our annual day celebration. Hello everyone, I am Anvita from Baby Roses. Today is a special day because we are going to sing and dance and have lots of fun together. Hello everyone, I am Yashwanta from Baby Roses. Ladies and gentlemen, a request to all sit back, relax, then enjoy the show for next 2 hours. So let's begin the show. Hi everyone, I am Jasmine from Baby Roses. Hey Jasmine, do you know what's coming up next? Yeah, tell me. It's classical performance. Oh wow. Dear parents, let's put our hands together. Welcome her onto the stage.
कृष्ण पाहि पाहि नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नित्यानन्दं देहि बाल गोपाल कृष्ण पाहि पाहि तकदिमि तकजनु तकदिमि तकिटता 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 तदिंकिनता 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 नीलमेघ शरीर 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 नित्यानन्दं देहि बाल गोपाल कृष्ण पाहि पाहि तकदिमि तकजनु तकदिमि तकिटता 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 तदिंकिनता 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 नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नीलमेघ शरीर नित्यानन्दं देहि बाल गोपाल कृष्ण पाहि पाहि तकदिमि तकजनु तकदिमि तकिटता 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 तदिंकिनता 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 कलभ सुन्दर गमन कस्तूरी शोभितनन 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 नलिन दलायत नयन नन्द नन्दन नलिन दलायत పాహి తకదిమి తకదను తకదిమి తకిటత 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 తదింగినత 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 వ్యత్యస్త పాదారవింద విశ్వవందిత ముకుంద వ్యత్యస్త పాదారవింద విశ్వవందిత ముకుంద వ్యత్యస్త పాదారవింద విశ్వవందిత ముకుంద వ్యత్యస్త పాదారవింద విశ్వవందిత ముకుంద సత్యాఖండ బోధానంద సద్గుణ బృంద సత్యాఖండ బోధానంద సద్గుణ బృంద గోవింద ప్రత్యస్తామిత భేదాతంద పాలితానంద సునంద 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 దిత్తంగు తగ్గ దిత్తంగు తగ్గ తజ్జం తజ్జం దిత్తంగు తగ్గ దిత్తంగు తగ్గ దిత్తంగు తగ్గ తజ్జం తజ్జం దిత్తంగు తగ్గ తజ్జం దిత్తంగు తగ్గ తజ్జం దిత్తంగు తగ్గ దిత్తంగు తగ్గ దిత్తంగు తగ్గ దిత్తంగు తగ్గ నిత్యద నారాయణ తీర్థ నిత్యద నారాయణ తీర్థ నిత్యద నారాయణ తీర్థ నిత్యద నారాయణ తీర్థ నిర్మలానంద గోవింద బల గోపాల కృష్ణ పాహి పాహి తకదిమి తకదను తకదిమి తకిటత 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 తదింగినత తదింగినత తదింగినత.
Now it's time to honor Kartisha, a talented dancer. I would like to invite Mrs. Sahadeva Garu onto the stage to present the well-deserved memento to our extraordinary performer. Let's give them a big round of applause. Delightful musical choir where our talented PP2 kids will take you on a beautiful journey of music. They're going to touch the strings of our heart with their songs on friendship, parents and life. Let's give them a warm welcome with a big round of applause.
bring us this one magical poem and they truly deserve our appreciation. Parents, let's show them our love and encouragement with a big round of applause. And I thank you PP2 parents for your understanding. You're moving back to your respective places. Thank you so much.
Ready to end their playgroup kitties performance? Co-8J was started the performing. I'm a leader. I love babies. Now let's welcome them on the stage with a big round of applause.
A. Rishi, Shanvi, Tanvik, Hananya, Chiransh, Katvika, Vaishnav, Sanvi, Arav.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले, मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark.
Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt.
Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do do.
Vaishnavi, Vedasa, Sri Meghana, Tanvita.
పూలొచ్చి పలికే సంపంగి భావాలోయి ఓ వాన పడితే ఆ కొండకు నహాయి పూలొచ్చి పలికే సంపంగి భావాలోయి ఓ వాన పడితే ఆ కొండకు నహాయి పూలొచ్చి పలికే సంపంగి భావాలోయి కోయిలకి కుక్కు ఎదహోరే కాంబోజీ సంగీతం అంటేనే హాయి హాయి నదిలోన లహరిల్లాలి పసిమువ్వల్లో సన్నాయి గీతాలు వింటుంటేనే పుట్టే హాయి జగమంతా సాగి గీతాలే పొడుచుకోవాలి సాగింది నాలో ససరే గమ పాధని సరే ఓ వాన పడితే ఆ కొండకు నహాయి పూలొచ్చి పలికే సంపంగి భావాలోయి
సినుకు రవ్వలో చిన్నదాని సంబరాల శిల్పి నవ్వులో పంచవన్న చిలుకలల్లె వజ్రాల తుణుకలల్లె వయసు మీద వాడుతున్న వానగువ్వలో సినుకు రవ్వలో చిన్నదాని సంబరాల శిల్పి నవ్వులో సినుకు రవ్వలో
ఇన్నాళ్ళ గుర్తొచ్చానా వాన ఎన్నాళ్ళందాకుంటావే పైన చుట్టూలా వస్తావే చూసి వెళ్ళిపోతావే అచ్చంగా నాతోనే నిత్యం ఉంటానంటే చెయ్యార చేరదీసుకోనా నువ్వొస్తానంటే నేనొద్దంటానా నువ్వొస్తానంటే నేనొద్దంటానా తరికిట ఇన్నాళ్ళ గుర్తొచ్చానా వాన ఎన్నాళ్ళందాకుంటావే పైన
चुका बोसा है जल 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 थल जल थल चल 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 बहता चल नन्ना रे 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 बरसो रे छम 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 जुल्फों से बांध लिए बादल सीने पे से उड़ने लगा आंचल मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल सबसे होके बेफिक्र मैं नाचू आज छम 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 मैं नाचू आज छम 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 छम
That's right. Our tiny toss of nursery are ready to bang the floor with the party theme song. So let's welcome nursery kids on the stage with a big round of applause.
दिल है मेरा दीवाना क्या कहता है अब घबराना क्या ताल पे जब झूमे बदन हिचकिचाना शर्माना क्या खुल के झूमो खुल के गाओ आओ आओ ये खुल के कहो It's the time to disco It's the time to disco कौन मिले देखो किसको It's the time to disco
दिल है मेरा दीवाना क्या कहता है अब घबराना क्या ताल पे जब झूमे बदन हिचकिचाना शर्माना क्या खुल के झूमो खुल के गाओ आओ आओ ये खुल के कहो
It's the time to disco It's the time to disco कौन मिले देखो किसको It's the time to disco
सावली सलोनी अदाएं मनमोनी तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं होनी ठंडे की बोतल में तेरा ओपनर तुझे गट गट मैं पी लूं कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे है सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से
will surely make this event so special. So let's welcome to our PP1 kids with a big round of applause. With positivity and serenity. Each lookout is chanted reflected their hard work and devotion. Let's all give them a big round of applause.
I'm glad. I think my kids. Yeah, right. Now do you expect my kids are ready to perform for the songs? कोई नहीं गया तेरे बातों में 1, 2, 3, 4 get on the dance floor.
कोई
आजा गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ तो मुलाकातों में काली रातों में बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया तेरी बातों में उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया
ஏண்டா எங்க போற என் அன்புக்கு நீதாண்டா ஆளு வந்து கட்டிக்கடா என் உடம்பெல்லாம் காயது பாரு
பிள்ள தமிழ் தெரியாதா ஹிந்தில
Once again, da.
पूनम के चांद को घूंघट के नीचे छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें चुरा के
पीछे कुआं आगे मेरे खाई तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहाँ मुझको दुआ किसकी लगी भाई आके पधारा हूँ जो यहाँ
इल्ले फिकर आजा इधर बीट पे लगा ले तू ठुमका
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor
1 2 3 4
get on the dance floor shake the shoulder hit the party give me some 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor shake the shoulder hit the party give me some
That was a power-packed, fantastic performance by our little ones from nursery. For learning is truly inspiring. To recognize their effort, we will now present medals for these kids. I would like to invite Mr. Satyam Rao Garu onto the stage to kindly do the honors. Let's give a big round of applause to our wonderful students as they receive their well-deserved medals. Very young age. Throughout the year, we have conducted just a minute sessions every month, giving our children the opportunity to express themselves and grow as speakers. Among these talented participants, we have selected the best speakers who have consistently impressed us with clarity, confidence, and creativity. It is now time to recognize their achievement. To recognize their efforts, we will now present medals to these kids. I would like to invite Mr. Sahadev Rao Garu onto the stage to kindly do the honors. Tejas, Vishal, Arjun, Vihan Reddy, Yashvik, Gagan Sai Reddy, Shritan, Girivar Sai, Vanshika, Mokshada, Janvita, Chirasvi, Shanaya, Medasri, PP1 parents.
Gorgeous performance. Now our PP1 players are ready to come to a performance. For the song Bilal, Pushpa, are you ready?
My name is Bella, B for Bella. ఒకటే సైన్యంలా వచ్చానిలా. My name is Bella, బిజలి Bella. మెరుపే మనిషి అయితే ఉంటాదిలా.
Pushpa, 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 pushpa. గెడ్డం పట్టా సవరిస్తుంటే దేశం దద్దరిందే భుజమే ఎత్తి నడిచొస్తుంటే భూమి బద్దలయ్యే నువ్వు నిలవాలంటే ఆకాశం ఎత్తే పెంచాలే నిలుపవాలంటే చంద్రం ఇంకా లోతే తవ్వాలే
వానకు తడిసి బిక్కుమంటూ రెక్కలు ముడిసి వణుకుతుంటే నీదే తప్పవదా పెద్ద గద్దలాగా మబ్బుల పైన హద్దు దాటి ఎగిరావంటే వర్షమైన కలనే వచ్చి కాళ్ళ కింద కురుసైనా
పుష్ప 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 రాజ్ పుష్ప 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 రాజ్ పుష్ప 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 రాజ్ పుష్ప 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 పుష్ప.
Now do you know who is performing next? What are they performing? Yeah. Then let's welcome them. The Beast
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए। मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए। सांसें मेरी हैं उनके हाथों में, याद पिया की, मेरे पिया की आने लगी है भीगी भीगी रातों में। ओ याद पिया की आने लगी है भीगी भीगी रातों में।
వాకింగ్ స్లోమో మనసుల సోగో హే మై గోల్డెన్ స్పారో
बामा बामा कमन सिंह क्वीन तेडी बंदा किंग डैला डैला पीपी डुम माला माती पोड रिंग गोल्डन स्पारो ये नंजला एरो नीला द लाइफ ये रोंब सोरो मास्टर ऑफ सोरो नम पयंदा हीरो सिंगिंग डुएट वेरे यारो ए ए ए
निकेत, कृतिका, जयवंश, पोशिका, हयांश, मानविता, वैदिक, साक्षिता, जशवंत साई, जी कृति, सिद्धार्थ, हिमान्विका साई, जशविन, जशमिता. I repeat, the parents of Smaran, Atulya, Viraj, Mahanya, Niket, Kritika, Jayvansh, Poshika, Hayansh, Manvita, Vaidik, Sakshita, Jashwant Sai, G Kriti, Siddharth, Himanvika Sai, Jashwin, Jashmita.
That was a power-packed performance. Next, let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
పాట కావాలా స్వచ్ఛమైన అచ్చతే నువ్వు బిడ్డ కావాలా
ఆట కావాలి పాట కావాలి రాజువాక సెంటర్లో ఫ్లాట్ కావాలి
ముందే టెండర్ పెడితే ఎట్టా బేబీ
మానేదిట్టా గురువాది నా హాబీ
ఊపై ఒళ్ళే
చేసి డ్రిల్లే
భూగోళం మదిరేలా కదం తొక్కాలే స్వీట్ కావాలా హాట్ కావాలా నాణ్యమైన నాటు చికెన్ లెగ్స్ కావాలా
స్వీట్ కావాలి హాట్ కావాలి రాసిస్తే వైజాగ్ నీళ్ళు ప్లాంట్ కావాలి
అందాల అడబొమ్మ ఎంత బాగుంది ముద్దు గుమ్మ
అట్టాగా చూడకమ్మ కందిపోతుంది కన్నె జన్మ
పుచ్చేడ కోనలోన కన్ను చిక్కుకుంది రక్షించు నన్ను చప్పునా
గుప్పిలో దాటుతున్న గుట్టు గుప్పు మంది కవిస్తే కట్టు తప్పనా
అందాల అడబొమ్మ ఎంత బాగుంది ముద్దు గుమ్మ
అట్టాగా చూడకమ్మ కందిపోతుంది కన్నె జన్మ
గువ్వా గోరింకతో ఆడిందిలే బొమ్మలాగా
నిండు నా గుండెలో మ్రోగిందిలే వీణ పాట
ఆడుకోవాలి గువ్వలాగా పాడుకుంటాను నీ జంట గోరింకనై అరే గువ్వా గోరింకతో ఆడిందిలే బొమ్మలాగా
నిండు నా గుండెలో మ్రోగిందిలే వీణ పాట
చిలకలు మీరండి కోర్కెలు తీర్చండి
వధువు మా ఫ్రెండ్ అండి
వరుడు మావాడండి
సేవలను పొందండి
చేసుకోండి
నైజాం బాబులు నాటు బాబులు అతిథులు మీరండి ఆర్డరు వేయండి
అరే చక్కని భామలు చంద్రవంకలు చిలకలు మీరండి కోర్కెలు తీర్చండి
వధువు మా ఫ్రెండ్ అండి
వరుడు మావాడండి
సేవలను పొందండి
చేసుకోండి
కొక్కరొక్క కోడి కూడా జనవరి సలి పులి దెబ్బకి ఎంత లేసి వణికిందో ఏ మూల పండుకుందో రథం ముగ్గు వేసుకుంట ఏడుకూరి నాగలక్ష్మి ఎంత దూరం వెళ్ళిందో ఎటు పోయిందో
యాటిట్యూడ్ పొంగల్ ఇట్స్ ఎ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ పొంగల్
కావాలా పాట కావాలా స్వచ్ఛమైన అచ్చ తెనుగు బిడ్డ కావాలా
ఆట కావాలి పాట కావాలి గాజువాక సెంటర్లో ఫ్లాట్ కావాలి
ముందే టెండర్ పెడితే ఎట్టా బేబీ
మానేదిట్టా గురువాది నా హాబీ
ఊపై ఒళ్ళే
చేసి డ్రిల్లే
భూగోళం మదిరేలా కదం తొక్కాలే స్వీట్ కావాలా హాట్ కావాలా నాణ్యమైన నాటు చికెన్ లెగ్స్ కావాలా
స్వీట్ కావాలి హాట్ కావాలి రాసిస్తే వైజాగ్ నీళ్ళు ప్లాంట్ కావాలి
అందాల అడబొమ్మ ఎంత బాగుంది ముద్దుగుమ్మ
అట్టాగా చూడకమ్మ కందిపోతుంది కన్నె జన్మ
పుచ్చేడ కోనలోన కన్ను చిక్కుకుంది రక్షించు నన్ను చప్పున
గుప్పిలో దాటు
బొమ్మ ఎంత బాగుంది ముద్దు గుమ్మ
అట్టాగ చూడకమ్మ కందిపోతుంది కన్నె జన్మ
గువ్వా గోరింకతో ఆడిందిలే బొమ్మలాగా
నిండు నా గుండెలో మ్రోగిందిలే వీణ పాట
ఆడుకోవాలి గువ్వలాగా పాడుకుంటాను నీ జంట గోరింకనై అరే గువ్వా గోరింకతో ఆడిందిలే బొమ్మలాగా
నిండు నా గుండెలో మ్రోగిందిలే వీణ పాట నిజాం బాబులు నాటు బాంబులు అతిథులు మీరండి ఆర్డర్ వేయండి
చక్కని భామలు చంద్రవంకలు చిలకలు మీరండి కోర్కెలు తీర్చండి
వధువు మా ఫ్రెండ్ అండి
వరుడు మావాడండి
సేవలను పొందండి
చేసుకోండి
నైజాం బాబులు
ఏయ్.
నాటు బాంబులు అతిథులు మీరండి
ఆ?
ఆర్డర్ వేయండి
అరే చక్కని భామలు చంద్రవంకలు చిలకలు మీరండి కోర్కెలు తీర్చండి
వధువు మా ఫ్రెండ్ అండి
వరుడు మావాడండి
సేవలను పొందండి
చేసుకోండి
ఏ కొక్కరొక్క కోడి కూడా జనవరి సలి పులి దెబ్బకి ఎంత లేసి వణికిందో ఏ మూల పండుకుందో రథం ముగ్గు వేసుకుంట ఏటుకూరి నాగలక్ష్మి ఎంత దూరం వెళ్ళిందో ఎటు పోయిందో
ఏ గబ్బి అల్లా
Only for PP1 and PP2 kids are ready. What song you want first? Okay.
గెడ్డం అట్టా సవరిస్తుంటే దేశం దద్దరిందే భుజమే ఎత్తి నడిచొస్తుంటే భూమి బద్దలయ్యే నిలవాలంటే ఆకాశం ఎత్తే పెంచాలే విడిపోవాలంటే చంద్రం ఇంకా లోతే తవ్వాలే వానకు తడిసి బిక్కుమంటూ రెక్కలు ముడిసి వణుకుతుంటే నీదే తప్పవదా పెద్ద గద్దలాగా మబ్బుల పైన హద్దు దాటి ఎగిరావంటే వర్షమైన తలనే వచ్చి కాళ్ళ కింద కురుసైనా పుష్ప 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 పుష్పరాజ్ పుష్ప 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 పుష్పరాజ్ పుష్ప 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 పుష్పరాజ్ పుష్ప 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 పుష్పరాజ్
I'm mother of Arjun, just now they have danced. My kid is from PP1. So last year when we have attended the annual day, like అందరికి అర్థమయ్యేలా చెప్తా మేము లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ యాన్యువల్ డేకి వచ్చినప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి అసలు ఏమీ రాదు, అంటే మాట్లాడటం రాదు, స్టేజ్ మీద ఒక దగ్గర నిల్చోవడం రాదు, he doesn't know anything. So this year, last year when we came, he was not even able to say ma'am correctly or amma అని కూడా కరెక్ట్గా పిలిచేవాడు కాదు. This year he took the best speaker award for his class. We have equally, like we have managed at home, but it is not an easy task from the school, from the teachers. But I'll say they have given their 200%, especially in the case of my kid. I'm so happy and so proud today. Thank you everyone. Thank you ma'am. Thank you everyone. And this event was a huge hit. Thank you. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone. Good evening. Andarki namaskaram. I am mother of Vanshika from PP1. The one who was mentioned by the principal, right? మా పాపే స్టేజ్ పై నుంచి జంప్ చేసి నా దగ్గర రాబోయింది. But like I was not responsible for that. It happened all of a sudden. But now teachers have trained her so well. Like she had to be so independent and she should not come to the mother. So I thank teachers, I thank their ayahs, I thank each and every one of the staff members, and special thanks to Harika ma'am who is carrying the show by her shoulders, and Raji ma'am for hosting with the audio and all, but this time they have arranged it so well. So I can say this is a very huge success for the school, and congratulations to you, ma'am, for starting the first grade from next year. So yeah, thank you so much to each and every member of the school, and thank you parents for training your kids as well. They are well disciplined in the school, and we can see them on the stage how disciplined they were. Yes. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. I want to hear from come on to the stage.
Good evening everyone. I hope you enjoyed the event quite well. So I'm parent of Manvita, PP2 Sunflowers. So regarding her performance, yes, she's quite communicative and also quite open-minded person. But my main congratulations and kudos to the school team, starting from principal to the staff who are involved in organizing this event very well. So I really appreciate their efforts. It been like completely the team effort, just organizing from considering small to minor details as well. I'm really thankful, and also congrats to the team for including the next branch. So hope they will start as soon as possible. Thank you so much.
Good evening, all of you. Particular సిద్ధార్థ గురించి చెప్పాలి. తన కూడా సేమ్ ఇందాక ఒక మేడం చెప్పినట్టు స్పీచ్ డిలే ఉంది. ఈ స్కూల్ జాయిన్ చేసిన తర్వాత అసలు లాస్ట్ ఎంత ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఉందంటే వీళ్ళ టీచర్స్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ కానీ, పర్టికులర్ రమా మేడం కానీ, వాళ్ళ క్లాస్ టీచర్స్ అందరి ఎఫర్ట్స్ అసలు చాలా ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ రమా మేడం అండ్ క్లాస్ టీచర్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, I'm mother of Veneza, PP2 Roses. So she's been here since 3 years, and it was a very great time here for her, because in her by her own she was unable to speak or she was unable to do anything, but now she's like a gem, and she was able to speak English. Like, she was trying to speak the sentences with me. She was always trying to speak in Hindi and she was trying to speak in English. I was very impressive with her behavior and all. And every time she was like amazing. And every time all the teachers support, and even in our bare conditions also, teachers have supported us a lot and lot. So this is the best school, I can say that. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm father of Smaran Tej, and he's a part of this school for the last 3 years. One thing I noticed in this school is the energy levels are amazing, right from principal ma'am to Aya. They always receive the child with great attention, and that is the most important thing for the kids, especially the kindergarten and PP1 and PP2. So I strongly recommend everyone to join their kids in this school, and my all the best for Little Icons. I hope they grow by leaps and bounds, and I'm sure in the coming years they'll start up the higher education as well. That is the confidence level I have on this management, and once again wish them a great endeavor in the coming days. Thank you.
I am part of Little Icons from past 5 years. So my elder daughter studied here till PP2, and my younger daughter is a part of Little Icons from past 2 years. My association with Little Icons is almost 5 years. I hereby want to thank all the staff members of Little Icons for the great management of the event, and the communication skills of kids are growing day by day, which is a very positive sign. And I thank Amadev ma'am for this. My elder daughter used to be very introvert. She never used to speak to us before entered Little Icons. But once she entered into the Little Icons and coming out, now she could give a presentation on stage in her present school, which is a very positive sign, and I felt very happy. The entire credit goes to Little Icons. And I am very happy that my wife is also a part of the team, Little Icons. So, and I especially want to thank all the team members, especially teachers and the ground level staff. వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా I want to thank so much. This is a very good event which went on very well, and I would like to thank Ramadev ma'am, and I would like to wish sir also all the best for the upcoming campus, and I wish you reach heights very soon. Thank you ma'am, thank you so much.
తను అసలు ఎవరితో కమ్యూనికేట్ అయ్యారు కాదు. సో ఇక్కడ లిటిల్ అకౌంట్స్లో జాయిన్ చేసినప్పటి నుంచి తనలో చాలా అసలు చేంజెస్ వచ్చాయి. సో మేము ఇంట్లో కూడా తనతో ఇంగ్లీష్లో కమ్యూనికేట్ అవుతే కూడా కరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్స్ చేస్తాం. సో అదే ఈ ఇయర్ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ కూడా తనకు 100% అటెండెన్స్ వచ్చింది. సో నేను ఎస్పెషల్లీ రమాదేవి మ్యామ్కి చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ, బికాస్ తను ఒక్కరే అసలు ఆర్గనైజింగ్ కానీ అంతా బాగుంది. నేను మా తెలిసిన ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా చెప్పాను, ఇక్కడ స్కూల్ బాగుంది, ఇక్కడ తన ఆర్గనైజింగ్ బాగుంది, జాయిన్ చేయించండి అని. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్. అన్ని ఈవెంట్ కూడా బాగా అసలు సక్సెస్ వెన్ కంపేర్ టు లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ అసలు ఈ ఇయర్ ఇంకా చాలా బాగా జరిగింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, Wendy.
What is it? Class please, school. What is the teacher's name? Teacher's name? Raji ma'am. Raji ma'am. Thank you.
For your invaluable support and participation for volunteering for our annual day event. I request our principal ma'am, Mrs. Ramadevi Garu, to kindly come onto the stage and present them with a memento as token of our gratitude.
Last year itself he have asked me that he wants to volunteer this program. Please give him a big round of applause. His elder son was also with us. Then later our younger daughter was with us.
Dedication and care are the backbone that helps everything to run smoothly. From keeping the space clean and safe and ensuring that every detail is taken care of, your efforts are deeply appreciated. Thank you for being such an essential part of our school family. I request Principal Ma'am to kindly present trophies to our non-teaching staff as a token of our gratitude. Dirisha.
A special thanks to the school principal whose unwavering leadership and vision have made this event possible. To all our talented teaching and non-teaching staff, a huge thanks for their hard work, dedication and commitment in nurturing our students. A huge round of applause for all our students who have wowed us today. You have really made us proud. I would also like to thank the parent organizers who came forward to help us today to manage this event and make it a big success. Last but not the least, to our proud parents for your kind